How to place a PCB assembly order in China. China is the world's largest producer of components and circuit boards, and can provide fast and low-cost PCB services. In a word, ordering PCB services from China has become a trend which can strengthen your competitive advantage. Many people think it is difficult to purchase PCBA services in China. Actually, it is very easy. Step 1. Choose a reliable PCB assembly manufacturer in China. Reliable Chinese PCB assembly manufacturers have strict control over the quality of PCB, and the prices are more cost-effective. This can make your project progress more effective. Step 2. Send the PCB files and BOM, bill of materials, to the manufacturer. If there are special requirements for PCB and assembly, please indicate. Step 3. Confirm the quotation and delivery date provided by manufacturer, including the price of each component and item. Step 4. Once the quotation is confirmed, you may send the order to the manufacturer. Step 5. Confirm the engineering questions for the project if have. Step 6. After all production files confirm, the manufacturer will start production and ship to you after finished. In the process of quotation communication, you can pay more attention to the professionalism and response of the manufacturer. PCB Earth have been providing PCB assembly more than 10 years to meeting the needs of our customers from different industries in terms of cost effectiveness, quality, delivery, and any other requests. Please visit www.pcbearth.com to know more.